Students, welcome to the English Literature online teaching class. Today's lecture is addressed to students of English Literature of BA Part 2. Welcome students. As you all know, we are studying English Literature Paper 1. As you all also know, I have already discussed two poems with you. One is Thomas Gray's Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard, and the second poem is William Blake's London. Today I am discussing poem number 3, and this is William Blake's poem Tiger. Today I am discussing the third poem from section A, and this is William Blake's famous poem Tiger. My lecture is divided into 3 parts. The first is a brief introduction. The second is the text, a detailed study of the text, and the third part is a critical analysis of the poem. So let me discuss the first part with you. So here is a brief introduction of the poem. Now this poem, Tiger, is written by William Blake. This poem is taken from William Blake's collection of poems called Songs of Experience. He has written several collections, but the main two are Songs of Innocence and Songs of Experience. So this poem is taken from the collection called Songs of Experience. Now what is the title of the poem? The title of the poem is The Tiger. If we look at the title of the poem is The Tiger. Now at first glance, the poem appears to be a very simple poem about a ferocious, fearsome animal, tiger. Have you seen the animal tiger? I am sure all of you must have seen the animal tiger in the zoo. Now what happens when you see the tiger in the zoo? The tiger causes fear in our hearts. The eyes of the tiger are fearsome. It is awesome. So at the surface level, the poem appears to be a very simple poem about the physical beauty of the tiger. But look at the genius of the poet. As you read the poem again and again, you come to know, and try to begin to understand that the poem has many deeper levels of meaning. At the surface level, it is about the physical beauty of the tiger, but at a deeper level, the poem is about creation. The poem is about God, the creator, right? So it is a very symbolic poem. If we look at the poem, we understand that it is a very symbolic poem. At the surface level, it is communicating to us the beauty of the tiger, but at the deeper level, it is communicating the greatness of the creator. Now, let me read out the poem to you once. Listen to the text of the poem carefully. In this poem, the poet sees a tiger, right? The poet sees a tiger in the forest in the night. And when the poet sees the tiger, many questions, a series of questions come to the poet's mind. Very many questions come to the poet's mind. And the poet wonders who has created this great animal. Alright? And it is in this wonder, this amazement that the poet has written this poem. Alright? Let me read out the text of the poem to you. The Tiger by William Blake. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forests of the night, what immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? Now look at the first stanza. In the very first stanza, the poet is asking this first question as to who has created the tiger. I will continue this video in the next video. I will continue the class in the next video. Thank you.